Today, I will teach you how to make a game where you have a sprite that asks you questions. And then at the end, you get a really fun graduation. Won't that be cool? Anyway, let's start. Spoiler alert, there is no teacher sprite, which is why I've created this. Isn't it good? It's that little teacher hat that you see. I'm going to add it onto a sprite to make it a teacher. So let's pick a costume. I want to, let's see. Let's just wait for it to load. And yeah. Let's go to people. And I want to have Avery a teacher. And I'll choose this pose because it's teacherish. Here she is, Avery B. Copy. I'll click copy. And now I'll go up, and click paste. And look, a graduation hat. Let's add it on her head. And now she looks like a teacher. And also get rid of her belt. What? Now there's a blank space in her head? That's creepy. So I'm gonna fill that in. Perfect. She does look like a teacher. And we don't need a hat anymore. There's Avery, and let's see. We start as all codes do with a when the green flag clicked. And then I want something to happen. I want her to ask 10 questions, so I click drag or repeat 10 times. And go to sensing, and we have this ask block. Let's see what happens when we click it. She asks what's your name, and you have this little bar here where you can type. I'll type JVL. And then no more question. But we want her to have a reaction, and we don't want her to ask us. This is going to be a math quiz. So I'm going to drag out a bunch of join apple banana blocks. Join apple banana blocks. Just join different things together. For example, if you join today, I want a multiplication quiz. Pick random 1 to 10 times. Pick random 1 to 10 times. Then add another join block, and add the join block inside of another join block, and add a join block inside of the blank part of the join block, which has a join block in it. This is getting confusing. And then drag in another pick random 1 to 10 block. And then a question mark. Let's see, question. And now let's see what happens when we click this. Under it, it says 3 times 7. But we want it to be even better. Something's happened. So let's see, that's much better. Oops. Let's drag it. Wow, there's a dot of joy. That's not right. We'll swap them around. So now let's see. 7 times 4. But we want her to ask, what is 7 times 4? What is? Wow, it's really fake, isn't it? What? Isn't it so fake? What is? Oh, there's no space. I'll go a space and then. Wow, just for a random question. Just for a complete random math question, you have to do that. And we'll drag it in to the repeat loop. And now we'll add a if-then block. If, and then we go to sensing, and there's an answer block, and it shows our answer. Hey, that's JVL, my name. If 100 is greater than the answer, and then we drag out an OR block that joins the operator blocks, and sometimes sensing blocks, or answer equals 100, then we want it to say, oops, I did the wrong thing. We don't need an if block, we need an if else block. Let's delete you and see. Now it's really complicated. If so, then we want it to play a sound. I want it to play, I'm gonna go to effects, the effects category, and see. What's this? No thanks. No, I like this one. It's better. And then we want it to start sound collect. And now we need to make a variable. Make a variable, and I'll call it correct questions, and delete the my variable, and we want it to set correct questions to 0 when the project starts, and change correct questions by 1, and note, we'll play another sound. I want the sound the bonk. Okay, so anyway, we'll start sound bonk, and we don't want it to say anything, and we're not gonna keep track of we want her to say, sorry, that is not right. Sorry, that is not right. Sorry, that is not right. And now, I think we have nearly finished it. At the bottom of the repeat loop, you know where you see this little arrow right here, we're going to add an if else block, not an if. We're going to add an if then block, not an if then else block, and do if score and if correct question, and and we want to do if correct questions equals 10. Say we want her to say you have graduated. You have graduated. We wanted to say you have graduated. And then we want to make we want to broadcast a message. Broadcast message 1 and make another sprite. We want it to be a cool sprite, like a balloon. I like the purple balloon. When the green flag clicked, we want the balloon to hide. We don't want to show this. We don't want to spoil the surprise. And then when I receive message 1, show and forever change color effect by 25. And then we even want the backdrop to get in. When it receives message 1, we want it to play music. And in Scratch we have backpacks, and we can put lots of sounds in there. And I have lots of sounds that I borrowed, but I want to play the sound bubble. I want to play bubble. Let's see. Does it have the sound bubble? Teleport. Come on. We need to drag it out, and there it is. Yeah! Oh wait, we need to save that for the graduation. And we want it to play the sound bubble. And then we want the backdrop to be a red backdrop, and I'll just make a really big rectangle that fills the whole screen. It fills the whole screen, and we take some code from the balloon and we drag it to the backdrop. Oh, and you can also drag code in as well. So now let's see. Let's do the quiz. What is 7 times 7? 49. What is 7 times 9? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 63. What is 5 times 2? Easy. 10. What is 5 times 10? 50. What is 9 times 4? 36. Yay! What is 5 times 2? 10 again. What is 10 times 6? 60. What is 7 times 1? 7. What is 10 times 4? 40. What is 4 times 8? 32. You've graduated. Yay! Yay! Yeah! Party! Yeah! Well, I guess that's enough of that. Oh, and I almost forgot. I need to name it. I'm gonna name it Math Quiz. Math Quiz. Perfect. That was fun. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and the music. Well, if you did, make sure you like and subscribe for more fun tutorials and nice stories.